everyone, I'm Eliza from Shengda Communications. To all friends working in communication engineering, dispatch, and base station construction. In outdoor communication system deployments, limited transmission distance, frequent failures in harsh environments, and high maintenance costs are common challenges across the industry. Today, I'd like to introduce the Shengda BC200 UHF base station antenna, which is a targeted solution to these very problems. It covers the dedicated 430 to 490 MHz frequency band, enables stable transmission over distances up to 50 kilometers, and can withstand extreme temperatures from -50 to 80 degrees Celsius. High-gain directional transmission solves the challenge of long-distance communication. In outdoor communications, the core issue of signal attenuation often lies in insufficient antenna gain. In large steel production areas, steel frame structures easily cause signal blockage, while remote rural base stations suffer from weakened signals due to transmission distance. The BC200 is equipped with a 6.5 dBi high-gain unit, enabling focused and directional signal transmission, and can achieve stable transmission over distances of up to 50 kilometers in outdoor environments. Even in cross-regional dispatch scenarios between underground mines and the surface, it ensures clear and continuous command transmission. This antenna is compatible with the 430 to 490 UHF communication frequency bands and works with 90% of outdoor base stations and emergency repeaters on the market. It can be directly connected without modifying existing equipment, reducing deployment costs. Reinforced with fiberglass material, it is highly adaptable to extreme environments. The BC200 uses a high-strength fiberglass body, coated with 3 layers of anti-corrosive white paint on the surface. The internal signal transmission components are designed to effectively prevent short-circuit risks caused by water ingress during rainy weather. Its height of 170 centimeters is compatible with standard base station mounting poles. Shengda has been deeply engaged in the base station antenna field for 20 years, relying not merely on marketing and promotion, but on an industry reputation and technical expertise built up through years of hands-on project experience. To ensure product quality, the production line is equipped with a professional outdoor environment simulation chamber, and only products that pass the tests are delivered. A comprehensive support service system is in place. For practical challenges such as installation height planning, the technical team can provide customized solution designs based on specific coverage requirements. We support large-scale OEM customization and can offer personalized configurations such as brand labeling and cable length according to your needs. If you have any questions about installation or usage, we can respond within 2 hours after you contact us. Remote technical support from engineers can be arranged as needed. If your project requires a UHF base station antenna with strong long-distance coverage, excellent environmental adaptability, and low maintenance costs, you are welcome to request a BC200 sample for design and testing at any time. The official website provides detailed technical specifications, and bulk purchases are eligible for tiered discounts. Feel free to leave a comment with your specific scenario and coverage distance, and we will customize a dedicated solution for you to help make your communications project more efficient. Thank you for watching, and thanks to everyone.